What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got another ride and review for you today. I was invited in to check out this Philly cheesesteak place. Psyched to try it out. There's not a lot of great Philly cheesesteaks in New York City, so when I find one, I do get excited. This place is called Old City. Old City Cheesesteaks and Brew. From what I understand, the owner used to be partners with Shorty's. Is another good cheesesteak place. They parted ways. Parted ways. Shorty's went downhill. So this is a welcome addition to the cheesesteak scene here. Looking forward to trying some stuff. Ran 10 miles. Got in a big workout. Hungry as fuck. So I'm ready to eat. I'm just ripping across 23rd Street. Ripping across 23rd Street. We're gonna bang a left on Madison Avenue, and it should be right there on the left. If you have a favorite Philly cheesesteak place, let me know in the comments. Even if it's in Philly or around Philly. I was actually supposed to go with a buddy of mine, the friend who's meeting me here. We were supposed to go to Philly and do a cheesesteak tour today, but we had to cancel. He had something come up that he couldn't miss in the morning, so we scrapped it. We're going to do it another time. Timing was good though. This place invited me right when we were going to do our tour, so we're still getting our cheesesteak fix. Almost there. They got the clock covered up. At the bottom of that building is a nice restaurant called Clock Tower. I was just there for Christmas dinner. It was really good. Great steaks. Beef Wellington was good. What the fuck is that thing? This is it right here. Old City. Alright. See you guys on the inside.
gotta try that nugget nectar.
The nug.
Yeah, the nugget.
We got the authentic Philly cheese. We got beer battered onion rings. We got Old Bay dry rub chicken wings. Italian French fries. We got the roast pork broccoli rabe. And then we got that mango habanero chicken cheesesteak. We're almost there. 5 wings, half a dozen fries, 5 onion rings. Think we can do it? Alright, we're down to 1 French fry and some useless veg. Paulie, take down the last fry. That last cold fry. Good? Is it everything you expected?
Yeah.
Holy shit. I'm so fucking full right now. We fucking did it. We ate it all. Just not the veg. But man, I can't believe we fucking put all that down. 2 people. That was good. That's better than Shorty's. So I'm glad this guy went out on his own, did his own thing. It's even better than Shorty's. What the fuck is this guy doing? Make sure you jump out to JohnnyPrimeSteaks.com. Check out the full review. My favorite was the roast pork with provolone, broccoli rabe, and that little au jus dip. That was incredible. The authentic, the regular Philly cheesesteak was pretty great too. Old Bay, crispy Old Bay dry rub wings. Those were killer. Never saw Old Bay used as a wing rub before, but I love Old Bay. I've got a special place in my heart for that. So those were really good. Italian fries, great. Beer battered onion rings, all of it. The chicken cheesesteak with ghost pepper jack on it. Real spicy, really good. It was a mango habanero flavor. Delicious. Check this place out for sure. Drizzle's starting to happen right now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. You know the deal. Tell your friends. And tell your fucking grandma.